Okay, it's time to flowchart this problem right here, the writer problem. I thought I'd make a change to this because if you take a look at the way we have it, this is fine. The only thing is that these two messages are really constants, aren't they? And if we wanted the user to change these, we wouldn't want them digging around in our code to do it. So I'm going to add two more assumptions, and that is go message equals, and then you do this. So we can go ahead and assign that text to the go message. And then I'm going to make another assignment, stop message. And that's going to be equal to this stop message. So I'm going to copy that and paste it here. And then down here, instead of having that message, I'm going to say, well, just put whatever's in the go message into message, and put whatever is in the stop message. You might think, well, that's an awful lot of bouncing around here, because we're going to output the message here, we assign the message here, and then we put the text up here. But it makes a lot more sense. This way they say, listen, I want you to change the message to the ride. Go ahead and start the ride, or go ahead and start the safe ride. I don't want to have a person go digging around in the code to try to find where the message is. I want them to go to the very top and change the constant that is up here. So I'll move this out a little bit so we can have everything on one line. This should be a low if. All right, other than that, everything looks good. Let's go ahead and flowchart it. So the first thing I'm going to do is an assignment. And that is going to be the max weight. Oops, missed the T. That's probably the only way you go wrong with the copying and pasting, is if you don't get everything when you're copying. And that's 750. And I think I can do that without hosing it up. All right, the next thing is my next assignment. And that is my go message. I'm going to copy that, paste it in, and then go ahead and get the text that goes along with it. Copy and paste. All right, and then I'm going to go and get my next assignment. And that is going to be my stop message. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this, copy and paste, and then grab the message, copy and paste. I hope you're noticing that once you got your problem statement done, you can't copy and paste fast enough to make the flowchart and code. Next one is going to be an input. I have to actually do some typing here. So the first one is wait writer 1, and I'll paste that in, and then I have to make a question. Weight of first writer question mark. All right, so that's that. So I'll go ahead and click OK. Come on. All right, and then I'm going to copy that down. Because that is going to be the same for the next one. But I'm going to go ahead and copy the variable, paste that in. And I'm going to change this just to second. All right, and then I'm going to copy that and paste it in again. And then I'm going to modify that. So very simply, I'm going to copy the wait writer, copy, and paste, and then just change this to third, and I'm done. Okay, copying and pasting makes it so quick and easy. Okay, next thing I have is a calculation or an assignment. So I'm going to copy that. So total weight goes on the left, and this goes on the right. Okay, you can't see it, so if I drag down the box, you can see that it's there. It just was too big for that little box, but it's all there. All right, the next thing is my decision. So I'm going to have to put a decision here. All right, and that's going to be these things right here. Remember, we don't copy the if. Okay, and then if that is true, I'm going to do an assignment. Okay, and that assignment is going to be, I'm going to put into message. Get rid of that for space. The go message. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and copy that and paste it over, and then change that to the stop message. All right, and then all I have to do is two outputs. So I'll go ahead and put my output in. And that's going to be my total weight. But first I'm going to put in my label. What? Quote. The total weight is, colon, say space, and then I'm going to join that with my total weight. I paste it in. And then I have one last one. And that is my message. For that one, I just need a copy and paste message, because it's got a label already built into it. All right, so let's go ahead and test it, see if it works. First writer is 100, second tire is 100, third writer is 100. That's 300, and it's saved to start. Okay, let's run it one more time. First writer is a rotund 300, and then 300, and then 300. Those people shouldn't be writing. And that's 900, and then it is not saved to write. So we see that this is totally working perfectly. All right, and then we'll code it in the next message.